I went to Yellow Jacket Garage. Well, not on the internet, but I went down there to see Bryan in his beautiful 2013 Grand Sport Corvette and all of his crazy animals to get my GR86 oiled. And we had a very good time visiting as well as getting this oil job done. Here we go. Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Bert, and I really do hope you're having a great day. This video, I went to Yellow Jacket Garage, visited with Bryan, saw all their plethora of animals, and while there, got my GR86 2022 oiled. And so we did that, chatted a lot, had a really good time. I thought I would just share with you a quick hit and run, getting the GR86 up on the quickjacks. They are the 5,000 pounders, and they're really easy to set up. So just wanted to show you that and just some of the information out of the user's manual for oiling the GR86. So let's get into it. Going to the manual, page 382. Without the filter, you've got 5.1 quarts of 0W20. This stuff is like water, and about 5 quarts will probably do you. Now, this needs to be good oil, so make sure it's quality, whether it's Penzoil, Amsoil, Mobile One, whatever. Just get the right stuff. And I just threw this in here so that you can see that when you do the oil change, if you've done it wrong for some reason, you might have this low engine oil pressure warning light come up. Now, looking at page 93, the only other indicator on your display relative to your engine oil is going to be the engine oil temperature. That's it. And here's just page 95. You can see kind of similar information for the engine oil temperature. Now, we use quickjacks, the 5,000 pounders, and we set them up close to the front tire. Okay, and in doing so, we made sure that the pucks were directly under this front jack position. That's where we staged the quickjacks. Now, your puck needs to be the one that has the cuts in it. So this will go into the pinch point of the body. All right, now I'm getting down there showing you the quickjack kind of pumped up a little bit with that puck right up front, right there in that very initial position that you are supposed to use for a jack anyway. And you'll see kind of how far away this quickjack frame is from the frame of the car. So just be sure and double check that, and the size of the puck needs to be big enough to prevent any damage between the car frame and the quickjack frame. So be sure to double check all of that before you start jacking this thing up. And so it was super easy. It aligns itself with the quickjacks very well, raises up perfectly, and so from this point on, you're ready to start getting up underneath it. Here, I just took the camera and videotaped down the bottom of the car. It was pretty cramped, but just thought I'd let you see how really nice and sporty the bottom of this car is. And here I'm kind of zooming in on this little plate that you need to take out. Get your 10 millimeter and take the 3 screws out to take this plate out, and have your oil pan down there ready to go. Takes a 17 millimeter wrench to take out the plug, and there you go. Get started at it. Back to the manual, page 305, position C, engine oil dipstick, and E, engine oil filler cap. So you got to know where those are. And now we're taking a quick look at the engine, and I show you just exactly where the oil filter is and that filler cap. So be sure when you take the oil filter off to clean its foundation base. Be very careful with that. Now here's the box for the Subaru oil filter, 1520888A170. So you can look for that on anything, Amazon, eBay, whatever, and get you a few of these. And they are very low profile. They're pretty small oil filters. Get that out of the box, put it on, just really strong hand tighten, or with the wrench, just tighten it on well enough, but you don't have to really cinch it down. Just take it easy and get it snug. So now you're ready to bring the engine to operating temperature, then turn it off to check the oil once you've already drained it and filled it back up. And the amount of oil that you're using is 5 quarts. So just follow the manual, page 306, 307 has the steps. It is a super simple operation. So just have at it, enjoy, and that's it. See, that was really quick, very easy. You can take your GR86 pretty much anywhere to get it oiled. Just really make sure you get the right oil. And because the viscosity of this oil is practically like water, make sure they really check that dipstick very well. Other than that, there's really no concerns with this. It's a pretty cut and dry situation. And, using the quick jacks, here again, just keep them a little bit more forward to the car where the very front positions for a jack are supposed to be used anyway. So keep those quick jacks up closer to the front of the car and you'll be good to go. Other than that, that's it. So with that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.